My health based reward card. Welcome to the YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to use my health based rewards card. So let's get started and watch the video till the end. First you have to activate your card. For this, call 1-888-514-6841 to activate. Have your 16-digit card number, 4-digit birth year and choose a 4-digit PIN. Now, how to use it? Use the card in store like Walmart or online by selecting debit or checkout. You cannot use it for cashback, ATMs or restricted items such as alcohol, tobacco, firearms or lottery tickets. What you can pay for? You can pay for utilities, gas, electric, water, cable or phone bills. You can also pay rent, childcare and education. There is also an option to pay ride shares or public transit approved Walmart purchases. So you can also check your balance. For checking your balance, log into your member portal or call 1-866-891-0891 or contact member services for your balance. Reward expire 365 days after they are earned or 90 days after your coverage ends, whichever comes first. So that's all. That's how you will be able to use my health based rewards card.